In this last session, I'll cover a few additional K2 features. Speaking of features, you can easily feature K2 content by editing an item and setting Featured to Yes. Featured items display with a special banner on the front end. K2 offers several menu types. You can link to a specific item or to an item edit form. The tag option allows you to display a page of items that contain the tag you specify in the settings. User page displays a list of items created by a specific user. And the last is fairly obvious. You can display the latest items from specified users or categories. Let's create a tag menu option. I'll call this item Mule Articles. Under Required Settings, select the tag to use for the menu option. Under Basic Options, you can select a category to select items from. I'll select the Devotions category and save and close the menu item. The new option has been added to the menu. Clicking it displays all items in the Devotion category that have the tag Mules. I used the K2 Tools module to display the Tag Cloud, Blog Archive, and Blog Calendar. K2 Tools has several additional options, including a list of authors, breadcrumbs, a category list from either a menu or a drop-down, a search box, and custom code. As you scroll down, you can find settings that apply to each of those types. I'll add a search module. The search settings allow you to select specific categories to search from, as well as several other options. You can adjust the layout of the search results from K2's Global Parameters, Layout and Views tab. The K2 User module is K2's Login module. K2 also provides a module called K2 Users. The module settings allow you to select specific users to display, or you can set it to show those who have the most items, the most popular items, or the most commented items. Here you can control what displays for each user in the list. Here's the K2 Users module displaying author information and the most recent item published for each user. K2 also provides a Content module that allows you to display K2 content from one or more categories. I'll select the Devotions category. Here you have quite a few different options for the ordering. I'll select the most recent first by date created. I'll leave the item count at 5. Here's an example of the K2 Content module. You can control which items are displayed from the additional module settings. K2 provides an amazing number of built-in features, but there are also many third-party add-ons like the K2 Google Maps plugin and the JE K2 Story component I used in earlier sessions. You can find even more in the Joomla extensions directory. Look in the Extensions Specific section, K2 Extensions. Currently there are 153 extensions for K2 listed. Getk2.org also lists K2 extensions in their Extend section. Here's an example of a free content slider, SOT K2 Simple Slider. This is from skyoftech.com. As you complete this course, I hope you've gained a lot of ideas about how you could use K2 on your own website.